Hey lovely people, welcome back to our channel. Getting to see some exotic animals while on a break from the rides is just what we would look forward to, isn't it? Stay tuned and enjoy this beautiful journey. And yes, please do consider subscribing to our channel. As I always say, it does motivate us. So today we take you to Ocean Park. Ocean Park is not just about rides but also about these exotic animals. Just in case you are interested in seeing part 1 of the series, then I shall give the link in the description box. So first we take you to the Australian adventure and guess this animal. So this is one of a very calm animal, which is, yes, you guessed it right, this is koala. And just look at the way it is peacefully clinging on to these branches. Very peaceful. The koalas inhabit the eucalyptus woodland forest and they devour the eucalyptus leaves for their food. So just see the sight of them peacefully sleeping. And another interesting fact about these animals is that they can sleep up to 20 hours a day. Aren't they lucky? So next we take you to another wonder of Australia, the wallabies. And you just heard my little one excitedly calling out hi to these wallabies. These are not the kangaroos. Actually, they resemble the kangaroos, but they are much smaller in size as compared to kangaroos. Wallabies are herbivores and their diet consists of a wide range of grasses, leaves and other foliage. Just look at these wallaby devouring on the dried leaves. Just like the kangaroos, wallabies also use their hind legs to hop around. Another similarity with the kangaroos. Next we came across the laughing kookaburra. The chirping sound of these birds resemble to a laugh and hence the name. Now to the most interesting part of this video. Just guess, where are we next heading towards? Yes, so next we are going towards the giant panda adventure. So this is the first time that we were going to see a giant panda and we were so excited. Just look at this giant panda devouring the bamboo shoot. It was so cuddly. Wish I could just lift it up and pamper it. And this is another giant panda that we saw, and this one was busy sleeping, so we didn't disturb it much. Just looks like a ball of fur, right? Next we went about seeing the red panda. So this was very active and again was devouring the bamboo shoot. I guess all these pandas are voracious eaters. Next we saw these giant salamanders and they were so still that for a moment we thought whether are they really alive or what. But yes, they were. And these are actually huge lizards and they are actually the largest amphibians that are currently present. Next we moved across to see the crocodiles. Again, they were busy taking a nap. And just look at this crocodile. We were actually amazed to see whether it is a rock, a stone or a crocodile. it was so still that it is hard to believe that, it is actually taking a nap. So next we went about seeing the goldfish. You will be amazed to know that there are around 200 varieties of goldfish found in China. This one, just look at its eyes. Literally, it was popping out, and I was so amazed to take a picture of this. This one is the Siamese fighting fish, and these are the koi fish. So all was so colorful, bright, instantly uplifting your mood. Next, we went about seeing the meerkat. So it is a small mongoose found in southern Africa, and after that, we moved towards the giant tortoise. Another interesting fact in this ocean park is that they have set up a real rainforest and managed to have some decent amount of animals that reside in the rainforest. So the first one is the iguana, and there was a tortoise. Just look at this green boar snake, and it was so scary, although it was resting peacefully. Yeah, so in this rainforest setup, just try spotting out the various birds and try to name those. We would love to hear those in the comment box, so do comment and let us know. Now comes the frog special. So these are the various colorful frogs who look so beautiful, but they are all very poisonous in nature. Next, we moved forward to see the electric eel, and this can give you some serious electric shocks. So next comes the ghost knife fish. So just look at the way it swims around. It was so good to see these. And just we got a small snippet for you here. Next came in the piranha fish. So I missed this the name of this particular fish, which is again a resident of the rainforest. And now this is the green anaconda. So it was lying very still, and we did have a hard time spotting it out. We actually mistook it for a log, and then we finally found that no, it is the anaconda. Here again comes the tarantula spider. And look at these. This looks like bird, right? But no, these are little monkeys. Trust me, there are a lot more to cover in this ocean park, and we would definitely put those for you. But for the time being, thanks for watching. Hope you like this video, and do comment your favorite animal so far. Thank you.